I took it off because I couldn't find the bloody thing. I was thinking, what adjusts what? Dave here, how are you? I thought I might share how to adjust the riving knife or the blade guard support on my table saw. Now this is a Carbotech 10-inch cabinet saw. I'm guessing it's very similar to Grizzlies and all of that kind of stuff. I have taken the quick release plate off the mount point. Now down here you'll see there are 4 adjusting points, and these can be accessed with the cover plate on. This guy here and this guy here are basically, once you've done all your adjusting, that locks it all in position. Now these little grub screws, as you turn them clockwise, will bring this plate out. Counterclockwise will bring it back, counter or anti-clockwise, whatever you want. Now you'll notice here on the plate there are all these holes, so I can do all of this adjustment from above the saw. And loosen these 2 to start, and then you can adjust through those 4 holes. Now the size of the Allen key it is, and the little one for the adjusters. So once you've got everything in there, I took it off because I couldn't find the bloody thing. I was thinking, what adjusts what? So taking it off has helped me a lot. Then you put your blade in. So I have this blade that I'll put back, and I'll put this back in, and I'll put the blade guard support back in as well, and I'll put a straight edge down the side of them to make sure that the riving knife or the splitter support is perfectly in line. So as I'm pushing timber through the saw, the splitter or the blade guard or the riving knife is not going to pull it away from the fence as it comes past the saw blade, or squish it in against the fence and create wonky cuts. I hope this has helped you. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and click that like button.